Hello viewers, myself Dr. Radhika working as Associate Professor in the college SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In this session I am going to explain the string editing problem using dynamic programming. So now I am going to solve the example. Now we will see this example how it can be solved by using the concept of principle of optimality of dynamic programming. So suppose now we will solve the same example whatever we have seen in the theory, and we should get the same answer as the minimum cost. So for example, if you want to solve this problem, so how you can get it started is, so first of all you have to get the minimum cost edit sequence. So for that one, what you have to do is you have to take a table, write the table like this. Zero, one. This indicates this is J and this is I. So that means this indicates for X and this indicates for Y. So you will have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, for A you have in this example 5. For Y you have only 4. So, but you should start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is how you can get the values. So first of all you have to start with a table like this, and you also substitute the values for those symbols. So here at 1 you have B, A, B, B. Similarly this side you have A, B, A, B. So these are the symbols. So this must be computed. First of all you have to compute for all the cases of, first you have to compute, step 1 what you have to do is, you have to compute for cases of I is equal to 0 and J greater than J greater than 1, and another one is I is greater than 1 and J is equal to 0. So for all these cases you have to compute. So first, and also initially cost of 0, 0 is, you have to start with 0. Cost of 0, 0, it is 0 because if I is equal to 0 and J is equal to 0, then cost of 0, 0 is 0. So that's why you have to start with the cost of 0, 0. So then you have to compute all the cases of I is equal to 0 and J is greater than or equal to 1. So now first you will start with this is what? 0, 1. So it will become cost of 0, 1. So cost of 0, 1 means, so here I is 0 and J is greater than 0. So then which formula will come into picture? So I is 0 and J is greater than 0. So that's why you have to use this particular formula. So that is cost of 0 comma J is how much here? 1. So it will become 1 minus 1 plus, it is insert operation. So insert of Y, J is how much here? 1. It is insert of Y, 1. So that means it will become how much? It is cost of 0, 0 is how much? It is cost of 0, 0 plus insert of I1. So cost of 0, 0 is how much? It is 0 plus insert operation cost is how much? It is 1. So that's why cost of 0, 1 value is 1. So 0, 1. Its value is 1. Similarly, you should compute cost of 0, 2. So cost of 0, 2 is equal to cost of 0. Again the same formula. It is I is equal to 0 and j is greater than 0. So cost of 0 comma j minus 1. J is how much? It is 2. So that's why it is 2 minus 1 plus I of y2. Now you have to perform the insert symbol, that is for y2. So it is cost of 0 comma 1 plus I of y2. It is equal to cost of 0, 1 is how much? It is 1. So 1 plus what is the cost of insert operation? It is also 1. So it will become 2. So now this is 2. Similarly, you have to compute for 3 and 4 also. So for 3 it will be 2 plus 1. It will become 3. And for 4 it will become 3 plus 1 again. 3 plus insert operation. That is, it will become 4. So this is the first rule. So similarly, now again you have to compute for I greater than 1 and j is equal to 0. So here this computation will proceed like this. Now you compute for I greater than this one. Now you have to compute for this one. That is cost of, it is cost of 1, 0. That is this one. So cost of 1, 0 is equal to, so here our I is greater than 0 but j is 0. So I is greater than 0 and j is 0. So that's why now you have to use which formula? This formula. So it is cost of I minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 comma 0 plus, here you need to perform which operation? You need to perform delete operation. That is d of xi. I is how much here? 1. So it is cost of it is cost of 0 comma 0 plus d of x1. It is equal to cost of 0, 0 is 0 and the cost of delete operation is 1. So it will become 1. So now what is the cost of 1, 0? Cost of 1, 0 is, you got it as 1. And next you have to similarly compute cost of 2, 0. That is, this total column must be computed next. So first you have to compute this row and then this 0th column. First 0th row and next 0th column. So that is cost of 2 minus 1 comma 0 plus d of x2 is equal to cost of 1 comma 0 plus d of x2. So then what is cost of 1 comma 0? It is 1. So 1 plus what is the delete operation cost? It is 1. So it will become 2. So that is, this value is now, it is 2. This is 2 now. Similarly, you should also compute for 3, 4, 5. You should also compute for 3, 4, 5. So for 3 it will be cost of 2 comma 0 plus d of x3. So that is 2 plus 1. It will become 3. And similarly for 4 also it will become 3 plus 1, 4. And for 5 it will become 4 plus 1, 5. So this is the first step what you have to do. And next, after that, what you have to do is you have to follow the row major order computation. After that you have to follow row major order computation. That is, you have to compute row wise. So from now onwards, you have to follow row major order. Row major order means what? So first you have to compute the first row, next second row, third row, so on like that. So like this you have to compute in row order. So that see now how it will be computed. So now for example if you take 1, 1, cost of 1, 1. So now you are computing row 1. It is cost of 1 comma 1. So for cost of 1 comma 1, here both the values are greater than 0. That is the last case. So if both the values are greater than 0, then you have to follow this one. So if you want to follow this one, then you have to implement this formula for cost of 1 comma 1. So now you elaborate according to this formula. So it is minimum of cost of, here I is how much? I is 1 and j is 1. I is 1 and j is 1. So that's why it will become I minus 1 comma I is 1 minus 1 comma j. J is 1 plus d of x I is 1. xi means x1. Next, the second term is cost of I minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, and j minus 1, that is also 1 minus 1 plus c of x1 comma y1. Next one is cost of I is 1 comma j minus 1. J is 1. So that's why it is 1 minus 1 plus insert of y1. So now you give the values for all the three. Those are minimum of, it is 0 comma 1. Cost of 0 comma 1 is how much? It is 1. Plus delete operation cost is 1. Next, cost of 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. It becomes 0, 0. So it is 0 plus change of x1 into y1. So here what is x1? x1 is a and y1 is b. So now you have to change a into b. So the both are different. So that's why the change operation is, its cost is 2. So you have to change a into b. That is your x1 into y1. So that's why the cost is 2. And next, cost of 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0. It is how much? It is 1 plus insert of y1 means insert operation is also 1. So that's why its cost is how much? So all the minimum of all the three. But here all the three values are 2 only. So that's why it will become 2. So now the cost of 1 is 2. 1 is 2. And next similarly cost of 1 2. Next one is what? 1 2. So you elaborate it. So minimum of cost of, it is 1 minus 1 comma j is 2 here now. So 1 minus 1 comma 2 plus d of x1, and the second term is cost of 1 minus 1 comma 2 minus 1, because here I is 1 and j is 2. So that's why it is 1 minus 1 comma 2 minus 1 plus change operation of x1 to y2. Now you have to change x1 into y2. x1 into y2. And the third one is cost of 1 comma 2 minus 1 plus insert of y2. So these are the, now you have to find the minimum of all these three. So it is minimum of, cost of 0 2. 0 2. It is how much? It is 2. 2 plus delete of x1. So delete operation cost is 1. Next, cost of 0, 1. 0, 1. It is 1. Plus, now you want to change x1 to y2. So here what is x1? Here x1 is a and y2 is here a. So anyway, here both the symbols are same. Here both the symbols are same. So is there any need to change x1 to y2? So because both are same, so actually you need to change x1 to y2. But here since both are same, so that's why, so you no need to use the cost for changing xi to yj. That is x1 to y2, since both the symbols are same. So that's why what happens? So here the cost will be 0, because while checking you have to check it with the problem. So if you have to change, then only you have to give the cost here. Otherwise, that is the cost of your change operation. If you no need to change means, so no need to give the change, there is no need to change the symbol means, then you can give it as 0. So this is very important point that you have to remember. So that, and next one is cost of 1, 1. Cost of 1, 1 is how much? It is 2. So 2 plus insert operation is again 1. So out of these 3, 1, 3. Out of these 3, which one is minimum? 1 is minimum. So this is a very important point that you have to remember. So whenever you are writing the change operation, so you have to check the symbol and then you have to give the cost or not. It depends upon the symbol of your example. So that is very much important. So that's why here you will get how much? This is 1. So just I am writing it in different color because that is something different. So next you have to compute for 1, 3, 1, 4 and also for 1, 3 and 1, 4. So I am writing down the values here. I will write it and I will mark it just. So the other values are 2 and 3. So similarly you compute for row 2. So just I will compute one element for the remaining rows. So it is almost same as row 1 for row 2, row 3 and for all the remaining rows. So now row 2, so it is row 2. So the first one is cost of 2, 1. It is minimum of cost of 2 minus 1, 1 plus d of x2. Similarly, cost of 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 plus c of x2 y1. Similarly, the third one is cost of 2, 1 minus 1 plus I of y1. So now substitute the values. It is minimum of cost of 1, 1. Cost of 1, 1 is how much? It is 2. So 2 plus the delete operation is 1. Next cost of 1, 0. Cost of 1, 0 is how much? It is 1. Next you need to change x2 to, you have to change x2 to y1. Now you have to change x2 to y1. So what is x2 now? x2 is a and y1 is b. So because both the symbols are different, so definitely we need to perform the change operation and the change operation cost is 2. So 2 is given. And the next one is cost of 2 0. 2 0 is how much? It is 2 plus the insert operation cost is 1. So now it is 3. It is 3. So like this you have to compute for all the values in the second row. So I am giving the values. So this is 3, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you can compute for row 2. And similarly for row 3. So for row 3 also I will compute one value. Cost of 3 comma 1 is equal to minimum of cost of 3 minus 1 comma 3 minus 1 comma 1 plus d of x3. Similarly, cost of 3 minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 plus change of x3 must be changed to y1. Similarly, the third one is cost of 3 comma 1 minus 1 plus I of y1. So now note down the values for those operations. So it is cost of 2 1. 2 1 is 3. 2 1 is how much? It is 3. 2 1 is 3. So next 3 plus the delete operation takes 1. And next one is 2 0. 2 0. It is 2. Plus now suppose if you want to change x3 to y1. So here what is x3? x3 is b. What is y1? It is b. So both the symbols are same. So that's why what you have to do? Here you have to again give 0. Because there is no need to change the symbol b, that is the x3 to y1. Because both the symbols are same. And the next one is cost of 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 is 3 plus the insert operation is 1. So it is again 2. It is again 2. So now you calculate for all the remaining values in this row. That is 3 2, 3 3, 3 4. So those values are 2, 3, 2, 4. Similarly, we should also compute for row 4 also. For row 4 also I am writing. It is 3, 2, 3, 4. And finally, you have to compute for row 5. Similarly, now you have to compute for row 5. So for row 5, it is cost of 5 comma 1. The first one is 5 comma 1. So it is minimum of directly I am writing the values. It is cost of 4 1. Cost of 4 1 is how much? It is cost of 4 1. It is 3. 3 plus insert operation means 1. Again next one is cost of 4 0. 4 0 is how much? 4 0 is 4. It is 4 plus and the change operation is change of x5 to y1. So what is x5 here? x5 is b and y1 is also b. So now that's why no need to change those two symbols. So that's why the change operation will become 0. Next, cost of 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 is how much? It is 5. 5 plus your insert operation. It is 1. So that's why it is out of this 4. The minimum value is how much? It is 4. Similarly, you have to compute for cost of phi 2. So phi 2, it is minimum of cost of 4 2. 4 2 is how much? It is 3 plus delete operation. Next one is cost of 4 1. Cost of 4 2. The first term is 4 2. 4 only I will be decremented. That is 4 2. 4 2 cost is how much? It is 2. It is 2. And the next term will be cost of 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1 is how much? It is 4. Cost of 4 comma 1 is 3. And next one is change of x5 and y2. y2. What is y2 here? It is a. So because both are different, so that's why you need to perform the change operation and its cost is 2. And the last one is cost of ij minus 1. That is phi 1. Phi 1 is how much? It is phi 1 is 4. Phi 1 already we have computed. It is 4. So it is 4 plus your insert operation. It takes 1. So that is out of these 3, which one is minimum? 3 is the minimum and the cost of 5 comma 2 is 3. And the next one is you have to compute for cost of phi 3 is equal to minimum of, it is cost of 4 3. 4 3 is how much? 4 3. It is 3. So 3 plus 1 comma 3 plus 1 comma it is 2 plus, so you have to change x5 to y3. x5 is how much here? B. And y3 is b. So both are same. So that's why this is 0. And next one is it is cost of 5 comma 2. 5 comma 2 is 3. So 3 plus 1. So it is, what is its cost now? It is 2. So now here you got 2. And the final answer, that is our cost of cost of 5 comma 4. So this is what? Minimum of cost of, it is I minus 1, that is 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4 is how much? It is 4 plus 1. Next cost of 4 3. 4 and 3. It is 3 plus. So you need to change x5 to y4. Here what is x5? x5 is b and y4 is also b. So that's why no need to change the symbol because both the symbols are b. And the last one is cost of 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. It is 3. It is cost of 5 comma. It is cost of 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3 is how much? It is 2. So 2 plus the insert operation is 1. So what is its cost now? You got it as 3. So already I told that cost of your, this is what? Cost of your n comma m. So this is the minimum cost of your sequence. It is the minimum cost of your minimum cost sequence for transforming x into y. So now here our n is 5, that is the size of our first string, that is its size is 5, and the second string size is 4, that is cost of 5 comma 4, and we got this cost of 5 comma 4 as, we got it as cost of 5 comma 4 is equal to 3. So this is what the cost we got. This is the, so you cannot get a solution which is having a cost less than this value. So this is the optimal solution for this particular problem using principle of optimality. So and here if you see the order, so how you can get this, how you got this means, so here we say that, so here we say that this indicates, if it moves in this direction means we say that this is insert. This means we say it as delete, and cross means we say it as change operation. So like this you will transform. Okay, so now suppose if you take this example, for this particular example, so first what are the operations that have been done is, whenever the value changes, so here it has been from 0 you have to start, so here one operation has been done. So that means here it indicates that you have deleted the symbol x1. So down means what? It is delete. So that means here you have deleted the first symbol, that is x1. Next again it is changed. So that means you have deleted the second symbol, that is x2. So next the value you went like this, that is this one. And finally you have inserted the b at the end. So suppose if you delete this a and this a, so now you will get b, and finally you will insert a b at the end. So the cost, that means here how many operations have been done? 3 operations, 2 delete operations and 1 insert operation. So here insert and delete, both the operations are 1. Here both the operations are 1. So that's why what happens? It is 3 operations, so that's why 1 plus 1 plus 3. So that's why you got the final cost as 3, and this is the optimal solution for this particular problem. This is the optimal solution for this particular problem. So you can transform the x into y with a minimum cost of 3. So this is the final solution. So you cannot get a solution that is better than this one. So this is using the principle of optimality of dynamic programming. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.